Freeze frame. So, let's talk about how to create a freeze frame. For example, we need to create a freeze frame of a particular moment. There are several ways to create a freeze frame. The first option is located at the program panel in the form of a camera icon. Shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+E. We can export the frame by selecting the right moment in the video. A window appears in which we can set the file name, choose its extension and the place where it will be saved. If we need to export a file with an alpha channel, then we will choose PNG. If this file is used in the subsequent editing, we will enable the Import into Project checkbox. The frame will appear in our project panel. Then we can move to the timeline. Next, we consider the second method. We can right-click and choose Edit Frame Hold on the desired clip. The frame that the playhead is located is fixed, and the cut is made. The information about this file is not duplicated anywhere, but is used inside the project. The next option is Insert Frame Hold Segment on the desired clip. It makes frame hold of 2 seconds long from the frame on which the playhead is located, and then the video continues. Well, the last method is the frame hold options for the desired clip. This function turns the entire clip into a freeze frame, but we have to choose in the appeared window what specific frame will be taken as a basis. We can either enter a certain time or the desired freeze frame, or select the timecode of the video, sequence or markers in and out. Let's try to select mark in. In fact, it's the same as this last frame. Also, we can make a choice by the position of the playhead. For example, we want this particular frame to be the basis for this frame hold. So, we have considered 3 methods: Edit Frame Hold, Insert Frame Hold Segment, and Frame Hold Options.